Sanibona nonke babukele emakhaya lapha enikhona uDokotela uKehlele is the national convener of abelaphi bendabuko interim okwesikhashana nisabambile siwumkhonto wesizwe viva umkhonto wesizwe one mission one word sithi forward ever backward never sihleli la esikhona uzozwa thululalele wena khonto engikuphathele yona
ndawo ke okora umakuru washo boyiwe ruvulele nizindira wo mizimu yatona yadamusu richiko dikupa dzapana boyo umakuru washo richiri zvote zvinera zvitodari zviwananga kabone nerumbera boyiwo rika umtangano nerapnawo nachipikwa chine rava nacho pano cha MK riko rikavafarisiwe ava mukaravo zumbu jekubuzuma naye Kehlelezi Ngathungo na Mtimandi vote vahulwane varangapanda vote nationally na province dzote ndikori karifarisiwe ndira vomakuru wanga voiwe ndivoyo nonodhiva varinganga mudzimu wanga mwana mungororanga midzimu yahawe nendikori voyo vamakuru wanga kauve voyo vanenako rirwera hote rune rakadhi yochimbira hone zvinhu zvavo rine zviri chimbirere risongojeni wanga vukati vomakuru wanga nerumbera voiwe ndivoyo nonokona ndivoyo nonorirwera kezvo
Today we are having a policy conference. It is our caucus as Abalaphi Bendabuko in the Mkhonto Wesizwe Party. We have decided to have this conference to establish our structures and more than anything to have our own constitution that will be the guiding force and the guiding line as Abalaphi Bendabuko within the MK party, because as you would know ukuthi njengoba silana ke namhlanje this is the national conference
ezisikhona la namhlanje kwama province onke akhona la ne national sizokhanda yona constitution ukuthi onke ama provinces asebenze aligned with the constitution leso ekhanda namhlanje yabelaphi bendabuko. So iyona ndlela lezo silekelela ukuthi sonke sisebenze ngeconstitution eyi1 ukuthi ama province wonke asebenze aligned to kuleyo constitution.
Okay, why was it important for us to develop the constitution of Abelaphi Bendabuko? It is very important ukuthi si develop because a constitution it's like a foundation. You cannot build without a foundation. So you need to have a foundation. It must be a strong foundation. So this is the foundation, and as we are starting here, we believe our constitution is strong enough ukuthi ibambi South Africa the nationwide. Not only Mkhonto Wesizwe, even you wena ongakajoyina abelaphi bendabuko bomkhonto wesizwe. So it is very important because for us it gives us a guideline. It gives us the railway ukuthi sihambe kanjani siyabelaphi bendabuko.
We did road shows in the past 3 weeks to ask our provinces to give us their submissions from the regional level. So today we are here to finalize and consolidate sifuna ukuphuma la siphethe ke constitution that will allow us to be the league in the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, because as you know and understand, I think people have seen ukuthi ke Abalaphi Bendabuko is the force to reckon with emkhontweni. Numbers they don't lie, so we think we need to be the league of Umkhonto Wesizwe so that we can contribute meaningfully as we have always been doing.
Yeah, nendikobona ubori ne first priority ka MK ngauri chipikwa chihulwane chavo ndi chauri vavuyedzedze vuhone ha dzing'anga na zwithu zwa traditionally vazvivuyedzedze zvifane na kale shango lova lina mahosi lila vomaine huvone vonoranga phanda ngauri na vuhosi vova vusaveiwi kha ichidulo husina maine ngauri ng'anga lehosi lichiveiwa vuhosini uthoma afuka kha maine uri akono khwatha akono upfala akono vana mutsindo achichimbira ovo chipfirwa kha maine. Zvino chipikwa chihulwane ndikhovona uchenecho chouri va khou ri dzhiela nṱha sa izwi va tshi khou ri va khou zwi vhuyedzedza va khou ṱoḓa uri huvhuse muvhuso wa kale wa vhurangaphanḓa ha vharema.
As I've said to you guys, we are here to build the constitution of Abelaphi Bendabuko. and also to build the policy of Abelaphi Bendabuko. So that when you make a mistake, we will then go back to our policy. What is our policy saying about what you've just done? We'll give each and everyone, I think we have 5 or 6 people here. 5 who are going to be doing what is called the presentation. Presentation which will be done here. It's not something that you will have to take sides. The decision that you will take, it's a decision for all traditional years in South Africa within Umkhonto weSizwe.
Dintlha di ngata haholo tse ke di hlokometseng kwano tsa bohlokwa haholo ho ntho tsa rona tsa bongaka. Ya pele ke hore ntho e ke shebileng haholo ke yane ya hore re tlo fetisa ketsa molao ya tsa dingaka hore ebe yona e ka pele ka sehlohong tse ding he di tla latella ka mora eo ya ketsa molao.
First and foremost, we have to look at the ideology of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The introductory of our president, Comrade President Jacob Zuma, was to say, let the all indigenous community come together in one umbrella and embark on expanding the expressions of our belonging, where we come from. So therefore, Abelaphi Bendabuko comes as with the constituents that takes part in participation towards the Umkhonto weSizwe ideologically, which is one inclusive of the democratic centralism, where all in one and everyone for everyone. So we say Abelaphi Bendabuko, they are here to align themselves within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's constitution and its ideology.
Because we are spiritual beings. No more fisher so born. No more time mina nalok manga unako sizokubonish. So manje sithulele. The third point, committee members should be reshuffled every 5 years. I think that one it's a norm in a political space. After 5 years we go to elections.
To lobby for an intersector, multi-sector approach with relevant government department, especially the Department of Health, within all spheres of government, to strive for the preservation and promotion of primary health care.
Under need, we have to promote traditional leaderships and indigenous governments systems with model democratic framework, to promote, preserve and promote African culture, customs and spiritual heritage, to ensure the economic, social and political empowerment to traditional communities, to promote and support the provincial of traditional health medicine and practice, as well as any forms of health assistance of people.
Membership. Members of the League shall be open to traditional health practitioners who subscribe to the aims and objectives of the League. Members shall be required to pay membership fees as determined by the League's National Executive Committee. Rights and the duties of the members. Members shall have the right to participate in the decision-making process of the League, vote and stand for election in the League's election.
Ithi yona thina amalungu MK Party Abelaphi Bendabuko League sihlangene ngaphansi kwesihlambengezo senkululeko sombutho wemkhonto weSizwe Party. Sizibophezela ekubuyiseleni isithunzi, isiko nobumoya besizwe sama-Afrika. Sithatha ukuhlakanipha kwabadala bethu kanye nokuzimisela umsebenzi wethu wokukhulekela sisungula lo mthetho sisekelo ukuhola nokuphatha zonke izindaba zeligi. Sihlose ukwakha indlela eya esizweni esizimiselwe nesinothilo ngokwesiko futhi esivuswe ngokomoya. Ngaleyo ndlela sikhuthaze izimiso zobulungiswa ubulingana nobubandakanya, right?
It is very important for abalaphi bendabuko to have their own constitution because remember we've been a wing, for a lack of a better word, of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and now we feel ukuthi it is time that we have a constitution which will be the guiding document, not only for us abalaphi bendabuko within the MK Party, but for abalaphi in general in all the spheres of practices in the Republic of South Africa. So it is very important so that we don't do willy-nilly, as also you know abalaphi in general in South Africa, they are not regulated. So we think for us also to be disciplined, we need a form of a constitution which will be a guiding document to how do we conduct ourselves within the political space.
When you are an alliance, you are a side and you are running within the corridors of your own decorum separately from the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Now, Abalaphi bendabuko becomes a league that takes participation within the mother body so that they have submissions and enjoy participatory processes where they are able to speak the mind of the party, to speak the blood of the party, the DNA, and so all the spectrum of the whole ideology of Umkhonto weSizwe.
This constitution, it analyzes the political side of umelaphi bendabuko. Uma khona umuntu owazi umuthi kumele kube khona owaziyo ugovernmenta umuthi, ngoba kwayenzakala ukuthi uma abelungu bafika bathatha isihlahla bona basifaka ama-chemical, makade basifaka under regulatory processes, but the ignorance ngomuntu onsundu ukuthi unamandla ukuthi yena ayithatha angayihlanganisanga nezinye izinto mara ayikhulumise lento bese lento iphile mara akakwazi ukuyiregulate noma igovernment.
The processes indeed helped us a lot because there's a say that says there's nothing for us without us. As traditional healers, we had our input combined and we felt ownership of what we are in, so that whatever that we do, we know that we started it. Even this will go to even to our grandchildren.
Yonke i-constitution esiyenzile, it is aligned with Umkhonto weSizwe, and if you read our constitution and read a motherboard, you will hear and it will give you the answer that you are looking for.
We've made sure when we are developing this constitution and making consultations, since we are affiliated within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, our constitutions and our policies need to be in line with the policies of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. And when you see the final product of Abalaphi bendabuko, Umkhonto weSizwe League, you will see our policies and our constitution, they speak and align direct with the vision and the missions of Umkhonto weSizwe.
Considering the Witchcraft Act when it comes to the preamble, and also when I read what is a constitution, it's a fundamental set of principles that establish a government structure, powers and limitations while guaranteeing the rights of citizens, which means our constitution has to be aligned with the national constitution and also with the MKP constitution, which we're under. So in that representation, we must also consider the regulations that were imposed on us as healers within this, so that we understand the advocacy of Tina as abalaphi, because that is the way of how we get our numbers from mobilizing. Mofiga, mangabe ngiphethe constitution, mangabe ngiyoshela somebody to join in the MKP, there must be a clear indication as to what will the political party advocate for the healers.
Sithini nge-industry yamakhambi ethu, yini ikhambi lami mangiwumlaphi ukuze kwazi ukuthengisela kufanele iyovaya ku-Victoria Market kwi-Pakistan, enenza ibhizinisi nge-product yami isihlahla ngifike ngisiphahlele ngibeke u-R2 ngithi thuluzani kwimoya yonke ekhona ehlathini, ngicela ningivumele ngizosebenza ngonyaka ezikile ehlathi angizanga ngobubi. Yindaba le product izoba yinhle ngoba sengiyithola lapha kwesinye isitolo. iphinto manje njengomlaphi wendabuko ethi phakama mlaphi phakama.
So ipoint lami lokuqala lithi ukhona posayishilo ukuthi can we include nakho ke kwami isilungu nkosiya. Can we include a description of us as abalaphi bendabuko ko constitution so that ikwazi outline that category yethu yekuyana sangoma so that it's there on the constitution. Why I'm asking that? So that abalaphi bendabuko mabanjoyina bangabi nale mentality ukuthi only people that twasat yibo abalaphi bendabuko or amagena thinks ukuthi yibo abalaphi bendabuko. So we need to all outline ourselves ukuthi so bani as a lead. Now, in that as well, is it also possible to add on the same constitution so that we have a desk? Why I'm saying we have a desk? Remember now, uma says outline who we are, kunesangoma, kunenyanga, kunegedla, kunani. Now, we have different gifts and issue amongst us. Can't we then add a desk so that amagedla headed is somebody that knows ubugedla, isangoma headed by somebody as usangoma, inyanga kanjalo. That way sizokwazi uba le database yethu nokuthi leyo desk I know ukuthi izokwazi ukuthola opportunity imida nekuholi so that igedla likhulumela amagedla singatholi isangoma selikhulumela inuva amagedla lingasex.
Namanje siyathanda ukuthi nidlale i-role kule liberation lena esikuyo lena esiphezulu kwayo. Your role again is to unite labantu laba. Angithi nina dlala futhi ngesikhathi kuliwa inkatha ne-ANC. i-MK ngokufaka intelezi ngapha kufaka intelezi ngapha zilo kodwa manje ngicela ukuthi ni-unite ama-members omkhonto wesizwe and i-discipline izoqala from yini enizoyipreacha ukuthi kube ne-discipline.
I-discipline iqala kubelaphi bendabuko. It starts ma umuntu ethwasa. So we are saying that very same discipline oyithola ma uthwasa, bring it here so that abantu bazofunda lento ye-discipline ukuthi ihamba kanjani. So njengamanje sithi thina i-voice esinayo, we've got a stronger voice whereby we are saying give us a chance, give us the stage, then the rest will follow.